In equitable distribution cases, many of our clients come to us with more debt than assets. If this sounds like a situation that you're in, let me give you some advice on how our courts typically deal with this debt. Marital debts are all debts that are accumulated throughout the marriage. These are debts that are accumulated from the date of your marriage until the date of separation. This can include credit cards, loans, things like that. It may also include some things that you don't know about. When you first meet with us, that amount of debt may be overwhelming, but rest assured, we'll make sure that we look at your assets and your debts so we can offset them to make it as fair as possible. When dividing debts, equitable doesn't always mean equal. There's a few factors that the courts really focus on when determining what that fair split is. One of those factors would be the earning capacity of yourself and the other party. Another factor would be your age and the other party's age. And the third factor that the court really considers is the health of both parties. It's very likely that your largest debt is probably your mortgage. It's also very likely that your largest asset is your marital home. The good news for you is we don't look at those numbers. We focus on the equity that's associated with the home, and that's the number that the courts will use when factoring out assets and debts. If you have an equitable distribution case in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, schedule a time to meet with one of our attorneys so we can go through these options with you.